Today, we are going to tackle a common challenge for many parents: how to deal with a picky eater. I'm going to share with you 5 simple techniques that I used for my son, and it worked like magic in our case. Picky eating is a common phase that many children go through. It can be frustrating for parents, but with patience and few strategies, we can make meal times more enjoyable for everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common challenge for many parents: how to deal with a picky eater. As mothers, we often feel a mix of frustration, worry, and sometimes guilt when our children don't eat. We worry about our child's health and growth and feel frustrated with mealtime challenges and occasionally blame ourselves for not providing the right food or creating a positive eating environment. This emotional investment comes from this deep desire to ensure child's overall well-being and overall development. But don't worry, today I'm going to share with you some simple ideas and make this challenge a lot simpler for you. But before I do that, let me quickly tell you about myself in just one line. I'm Riddhi Deorah, a certified parenting coach, founder of Easy Parenting Hub, and I'm on a mission to help mothers build happy families so that we can build a happy nation together. I'm going to share with you 5 simple techniques that I used for my son, and it worked like magic in our case. Picky eating is a common phase that many children go through. It can be frustrating for parents, but with patience and few strategies, we can make meal times more enjoyable for everyone. Understanding why children are picky eaters can help us approach mealtime challenges more effectively. Step 1 is to offer a variety of foods, include different colors, textures, and flavors on the plate. This encourages exploration and helps expand your child's palate over time. Children may need to try a few food multiple times before they develop a taste for it. Be patient and keep offering a variety of options. For example, my son never ate bananas. I kept giving him bananas gently without forcing him to eat it. One day, when he was very hungry, he actually tried a banana. Since then, he added banana to his list of favorite fruits. It took some time, but I'm glad that this patience paid off. Step 2 is to involve your child in mealtime preparation. Let them help with simple tasks like washing vegetables, stirring ingredients, or setting up the table. This can increase their interest in trying new foods. When children are involved in mealtime preparation, they often feel more excited about tasting the food they helped create. I always take my son for grocery shopping whenever I get a chance to do so. This makes them feel that food can be fun, it can be interesting, it improves their bond and relationship with food and inspires them to eat. This can also improve their self-esteem. I also have another video on how to improve your child's self-esteem. You must definitely watch it after you're done watching this video. I have shared the link in the description for you. Step 3 is to set a positive example. Children learn by observing. Eat meals together as a family and show enthusiasm for trying new foods yourself. Your enthusiasm and enjoyment of different foods can influence your child's willingness to try new things. I also keep saying good things about home food to my son. For example, after I'm done eating, I just casually say, there is nothing more tasty than home food. I love the bhindi that we make at home. These statements make your child believe that home food is tasty and good. Step 4 is to create positive mealtime environment. Avoid pressure, criticism, or making mealtime a battleground. Keep the atmosphere very relaxed and enjoyable. A positive environment encourages your child to associate mealtime with happiness and relaxation, making them more open to trying new foods. If you force and shout during mealtimes, your child will resist eating next time because the brain has created negative memory about food. This is one reason why most kids run away from food. Step 5 is to offer choices and be flexible. Let your child have some control over what they eat by offering options within healthy choices. Respect their preferences by gently encouraging them to try new things. Do not expect your child to eat too much variety. For example, in my community, I sometimes have mothers who tell me this: "Ma'am, my child is only eating dal and rice, but no roti and veggies." And I tell them, let your child continue eating the dal and the rice as it is already healthy and it is homemade. By forcing your child to eat veggies and roti, you will actually discourage your child from eating the dal and the rice also. Why? Because now your child is going to form a negative association with food. So, when children feel empowered to make their choices, they may be more willing to explore new foods on their own at their own pace. So, there you have it, 5 steps to help deal with picky eaters. Remember, every child is unique and it may take some time for your child's taste to develop. Stay patient, stay positive, and enjoy the journey of exploring new foods together. Food is a necessity, it is not a luxury. So every child is eventually going to eat. But what is important that you introduce food to your child the right way without pressurizing and without creating a lot of stress energy during meal times. So I hope this was useful. I hope you're going to use these ideas because the power is in action. Now you know what you have to do, but make sure you do what you've learned. So thank you so much for watching. What you can do is you can let me know in the comments below what is that one idea that you're going to use or one idea that you're going to start with. It's very important to have clarity about your next action step. So make sure you leave a comment and come back next week where I'm going to share with you another important parenting topic, how to handle your child's tantrum. So many mothers have sent me this question, so I thought I'll create a dedicated video on this topic. And if you found this video useful, make sure you give this a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and come back next week for more such parenting content. Thank you. Have a good day.